Welcome to our journey towards a healthier heart. Today, we'll explore the wonders of hawthorn berries. Get ready to be amazed by what these little red gems can do for you. Let's dive in. Hey heart heroes, are you ready to unlock the secret to a happier, healthier heart? Because I've got something that's gonna blow your mind. These little ruby red gems, they're hawthorn berries, and they're about to become your heart's new best friend. Forget boring supplements. We're talking about nature's powerhouse. Hawthorn berries are packed with antioxidants, like tiny warriors fighting off those nasty free radicals that can damage your precious ticker. But that's not all. These berries are like a superhighway for your blood. They help widen those blood vessels, improving blood flow and making your heart pump like a champion. Feeling sluggish, short of breath? Hawthorn berries can help strengthen your heart muscle, giving you that extra boost you need to conquer your day. Imagine hiking those trails, dancing the night away, playing with your grandkids, all with a heart that's strong and happy. But wait, there's more. Hawthorn berries may also help regulate blood pressure and even lower cholesterol. It's like a multivitamin for your heart. You can find them in supplements, teas, even jams. But remember, always chat with your doctor before adding anything new to your routine, especially if you're already on meds. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried hawthorn berries? What amazing benefits have you experienced? Share your stories in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more heart-healthy tips, and share this video with everyone you love. Let's spread the word about the amazing power of hawthorn berries. Your heart will thank you. Now go out there and live your best heart-healthy life.